Yeah, this is Amanda's second time. Yeah, she's gone. She is so much faster than I am. Oh yeah.
Tighten it back up?
Yes, she does. This one's for you, Lori. There's the wind chaser. Oh no, what's that? Oh, that's Ray, sorry. This is down at the El Dorado Dry Lake. There's a little exploring we're going to do. I forgot the camera last time, Lori. Look at her go. Well, I got to get my helmet and welder's gloves on.
I don't know. If you think I might have any success in doing that?
Oh yeah, you're going to get a try, but I got to do it.
No, I mean the camera. Otherwise, all I got stills.
Look at her. She loves it. We've got about 8-mile-an-hour wind is all. Probably sounds like more in the camera. But I'm going to take a turn now, Lori. Thank you.